Hello and welcome back to My Health, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. I'm Binera and today we're diving into the world of pomegranates and their incredible nutritional benefits. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The pomegranate, a fruit with a history as rich as its flavor, has been enjoyed for centuries. But did you know it's not just delicious? It's packed with nutrients that can boost your health in multiple ways. First, let's talk about the basics. Pomegranates are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. One medium-sized pomegranate contains about 234 calories, 52 grams of carbohydrates, and 11 grams of dietary fiber. It's also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Here's a quick breakdown. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, important for cell growth and metabolism. Potassium, helps regulate blood pressure, fluid balance, and muscle contractions. But that's not all. Pomegranates are also rich in antioxidants. In fact, they contain punicalagins and anthocyanins, which are responsible for the fruit's deep red color and potent health benefits. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Speaking of heart health, studies have shown that pomegranate juice can improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and even reduce plaque buildup in arteries. This makes it a heart-healthy choice for those looking to improve their cardiovascular wellness. In addition to its heart health benefits, pomegranate has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many serious diseases, including diabetes and cancer. Pomegranates can help reduce this inflammation, making them a great addition to your diet. But wait, there's more. Pomegranates may also help improve memory and exercise performance. Some studies suggest that the polyphenol in pomegranate juice can enhance memory function and increase endurance during physical activity. Plus, the dietary fiber in pomegranates aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means better overall health and immunity. So, how can you incorporate pomegranates into your diet? They can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, yogurt, or even used as a garnish for your favorite dishes. Pomegranate juice is also a convenient and tasty way to get all these benefits. Here's a quick and easy recipe for a pomegranate salad. Mix some fresh pomegranate seeds with spinach, walnuts, feta cheese, and a light vinaigrette. It's a refreshing and nutritious meal that's perfect for any time of day. To wrap things up, pomegranates are a powerhouse of nutrition with numerous health benefits. Whether you eat them fresh or drink the juice, adding pomegranates to your diet is a delicious way to boost your health. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy pomegranates. Don't forget to subscribe to My Health for more health tips and nutritional information. See you next time.